Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, February 6th, 2026. Welcome to the live trading room. Of course, you know where you are. Oh, got the wrong tool up. There we go. Get rid of that. Bring up yesterday's trades. We had that pretty big swing high yesterday, followed by an equal, greater sell-off yesterday, and then some sideways movement and just a huge swing high that happened after that. But got in two trades on this sell-off from yesterday. Oops, got the wrong tool there. Anyway, two trades for plus 111 yesterday. We had just that huge first trade that worked out nicely. So anyway, that was yesterday's trades. And Q closed yesterday at 596.98. It's currently sitting at 675 cents. No gap play. Let's move up to real time. There it is. And let's move over to the option chain. Get rid of that. And we are on the 6th. There we go. We've got 2.978 million shares or pre-market already, pre-market volume already happened. Let me reset my option chain. It's gone out of view. Here we go. All right. So let's see. We'll probably start somewhere near the 598 on the call side. And well, we'll see. It's probably 603 on the put side. There's an imbalance in the option in the strikes right now. And we just went over 3 million in pre-market volume. So we got a lot of pre-market volume in. Let me let Andrew in. So that's it. Let's say good morning to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, this morning, no announcements before the market open here this morning. We will have the Michigan reports come out for consumer expectations, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectations at 10 o'clock. So certainly could get a pop at 10. We'll also have one of the Fed members speaking at noon today. No bond auctions today. That should be it. Hopefully the prices will be a little bit more reasonable again today. I don't know really quite why they were so expensive yesterday, but hopefully they'll be back today.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's all I have. I'll be trading today's expiration with Tim today.
Okay. Very good. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Were you able to get out of that call trade yesterday?
I'm sorry I didn't hear you, Tim.
I'm said we. Oh.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. No, actually, it was the put trade I was in that it kept going down but didn't fill, and just not learning to trust the charts. Even though I would have still gotten out for a loss, I should have gotten out about four times when it got down to the demand zone, and I
Yeah.
just didn't. I was thinking, oh, Keith, you know better. You can get out for a gain on this. Well, I
Yeah.
didn't, and grabbed a defeat from the jaws of victory on that one.
Yeah. I hear you. I hear you. That was a tough one. Okay. Very good. All right. So make sure you've got 20 cents between each of your hash marks on your charts, like so, around here. So we're looking at the same size candles from day to day, and we're coming up on 10 seconds. There it is. Let's make this a strong Friday. Here come five, four, three, two, one. We are in and waiting on the broader markets to turn. We got Dow is up by 316. S&P is up by 33 and NASDAQ's up by 78. So very positive market this morning to start out with. Are on the broader indices. but we'll see which way the market maker wants to move this market today. There we go. Moving kind of slow there for a few seconds. Now we're happening. Already up to over 4 million in the underlying. Price going up, knocking on the door of VWAP. Both our MACDs are in the put bias position. See if we're going to have another sell-off today. Price heading up. Nasdaq's up to 143 now. S&P's up 57. Dow's up 534 now. Wow. There's a call taken off here. I'm going to go over to the 600 on the call side. 600 on the call side.
Still a bit expensive.
Yeah.
I think I'll trade fewer contracts today.
Excuse me. Both MACDs have crossed to the call side. All right. 600 on the call side. I'm going to go ahead and enter this 600. Got filled at 543. Eee, that's expensive.
We're in the the 5 minute now. I'm going to put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay.
Looks like your charts are a bit behind.
Yeah.
Had it close to a doji on that last candle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And almost another doji on the last candle.
Yeah.
Two in a row there.
Seven.
There you go.
Mm-hmm. Yep, there we go. All right, stand by to take profit. Waiting for my option chain to readjust. All right, I'm going to take profit here. Out at 562, 543 to 562.
Plus 52.
What was that, Andrew?
Plus 52.
Oh, nice. All right, price. Yeah. Price still climbing slowly here. Dow is up 626 now. Nasdaq up 227. S&P up 72. This market maker raising price, trying to sell everything out of the warehouse. Let's get some zones put in here.
I'm watching the 605 on the put side.
Okay. I'm probably going to go to the 606 on the put side.
Trying to get a crossover on the 1-minute MACD going down.
Price trying to rise again. Might be getting a supply zone here. Oh, lost it in the last few seconds. All right, I'm going to come back over to the 601 on the call side.
Getting up close to yesterday's high.
Good volume, already up over 10 million. Price trying to rise here.
They go close to doji on that like last Heikenasi candle.
Yeah,
Just keeps going up and bouncing off yesterday's high.
looks like we're just going to some consolidation right now. Still very good volume. Nice breakout. That price declining now. I'm going to head over to the 606 on the put side. 606 on the put side. Stand by. I'm going to enter this 606. And I got filled at 445.
We got about 4 minutes till the pop at the top, too.
Okay. All right. I'm going to take profit here out at 472. 445 to 472.
Good.
See if we're going to bounce off a VWAP here. Coming up on a minute till the pop. Oh, we can put a supply zone in.
How about that?
Yes. Kind of snuck up on us. Price having trouble getting over VWAP. Here comes the pop. And there's the pop. So good volume on that pop. Not a lot of price movement.
At the 5-minute MACD trying to cross over there.
Mm-hmm.
Looking at the 605 on the put side.
605 looks good to me.
And try to get in on this.
All right. Trying to get in.
Yeah, passed me by.
That's me by as well. Oh, no, decided to fill it. Jeez. Anyway, in at 460.
And at 462. Let's see if I can get some profit in this range here.
Yeah. Come
Out
down.
at 483.
Wow. All right. Stand by to take some profit here. I'm going to take some profit here. And out at 508. 460 to 508. Wow.
Great, great. I've just been getting bit by waiting too long on these,
Yeah.
so I got 21 cents on that.
It's okay. You tighten up.
Yeah, yeah.
Out just in time on that trade. Price reversing pretty big here. Dow's up 776, Nas up 174, S&P's up 68. Dow just keeps plowing ahead.
It's certainly been taking it on the chin recently.
Mm-hmm. No kidding.
Both the 1 minute and the 5 minute are in the put bias direction. It is getting down close to the pseudo demand zone, though.
It's indeed.
They're going to bounce off that demand zone. Continue through.
So I got 3 trades up 94.
Got two up 73.
All right. Price is bouncing off of the demand zone, trying to climb. Got 18 million traded on the underlying. Really good volume today. Just 1 minute that was below 100,000. The whole session, everything else is considerably higher. I'm going to go back to the 599 on the call side. See if we get past VWAP here. About to cross to the call side on our 1 minute MACD. If it gets there. Price playing around with VWAP. Price coming down pretty hard. Back at the pseudo demand zone. It's like we're bouncing off the demand zone again. Price goes climbing like crazy again. Price up at VWAP. See if it can break through. It's breaking through. Climbing. Okay, we can move up our demand zone.
I try to get in on a 599 call here.
Okay.
It's 491.
Okay. You're at the 599?
599.
Okay. There you go.
Try to get profit here. Come on. Not filling. There we go. 558.
Nice. Nice one.
Normally, I would have waited till that got up to the supply zone, but I've
Yeah.
just waiting too long recently.
Yeah. Well, that was a nice trade, though. Very
Yeah,
nice.
got 67 cents on that one.
Yeah. Joel, excuse me for a minute.
Boy, these are the kinds of days that drive me nuts. The big moves quick, and sometimes it doesn't allow you to get out in time.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, Tim, I made a comment. These are the kind of days that drive me nuts when you get the quick moves that don't allow you to get out in time.
Yeah.
So anyway, and I did move up that pseudo's demand zone just a tad to that agreement on those candles a couple candles ago.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, we are 1 hour in. We've got 24,098,000 traded on the underlying. And the broader indices are, there we go. Dow's up 802, Nas up 233, S&P's up 77.
Just to let you know, this is my danger zone the last couple weeks. And when I get into a trade between like 10:15 and 10:45, seems like every one of those have gone bad on me. So I'm just watching right now. I'm not giving anything back.
Yeah, I don't blame you. So let everyone know the charts are going to come down pretty much as soon as we uh, conclude today. Me and Melissa are heading to St. Pete after trading today. So charts will come down a bit early today. Wow, look at the volume. Good heavens.
Let me know, Tim, when would be a good time to chat too.
Yeah, we can talk right after.
Okay. Trying to get down to some a little warmer weather, aren't you?
Yes, yes.
My
Exactly.
my brother was down visiting my mom in Florida and sent me a picture of a hotel they were down there this last week that said there was a fountain there. It said, yeah, it said it's going to be nice warm weather. You can see it's all frozen over.
Oh, Lord. Where in Florida are they?
They're in Melbourne area.
Oh, okay, the other side. Okay.
Yeah, where mom is. And
Yeah.
I'm going down to see her in a few weeks.
Yeah.
2 weeks. Yeah. Boy, it's supposed to get down like 12 to 15 below zero wind chill here tomorrow.
Oh,
Yeah.
golly.
Supposed to be really heavy winds, and it's only supposed to be around 10 to 12 degrees anyway. And then you get the heavy winds on that. Said, yeah, it could be down to 20 below.
Wow. Ah, Keith, too cold.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is your shop heated?
I do. I'm just choking over the bills coming for the propane to heat it. But
Yeah.
I keep it down cooler though.
Yeah.
When I'm not out there, I keep it at like 58, just enough to keep the pipes from freezing.
Yep. Yep.
I'll send you some of our weather. We're going to have 10 days of 70.
Oh
Oh,
boy.
nice.
It's ridiculous. There's no winter. We had like 2 weeks of winter and that's it.
It's supposed to be, I think, next Wednesday or Thursday here up 41 degrees. Heat wave, heat wave.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, I think we're getting up into the 60s here in the next 10 days, which would be a nice relief. It has just been so cold here.
Yeah. Now trying to bounce off the supply zone here.
Hmm.
I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
Sure. So price bumping up against the supply zone. Starting to see our volume get a little lower here. Price not moving as vigorously as it was.
Yeah, see, it's really taken off here.
Yeah, it has. Look at
A
that.
doji on that last candle.
Yep. A little bit of reversal happening there off that doji, but not much.
Yeah, trying to get above the
Yeah.
supply zone there. That last candle was well below 100,000 too.
Yeah.
So, what are you doing?
Now price did pop up above the supply zone for one brief shining moment.
Yeah. Well, your charts are still running about 7 seconds behind.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm surprised they haven't caught up.
Yeah.
Yeah, price getting above the supply zone again. See if it's going to break out from here. One minute MACD is trying to cross back over to the call side.
Yeah, I'm up $1.40 today. I'm just not giving anything back.
Yep, I hear you. I'm up 94 and I'm pretty happy with that.
Some more there. Okay. Some on it.
And back under the supply zone. Pretty big reversal move. That call was looking pretty promising there for a little bit. Dow's up 850, 846. NASDAQ's up 264. S&P's up 85. At 27,794,000 traded on the underlying. Really good volume today.
Is indeed.
Mm-hmm. Price continuing to come down here. Let's see, yeah, let's see if it would make it through VWAP. 5-minute MACD is getting close to crossing.
And that 5-minute candle is a pretty strong candle going down.
Yeah. I'd consider a put trade here, but I'm not giving anything back.
Same here.
Five-minute MACD has crossed, and as Keith pointed out, it's a very sharp downward turn. Excuse me. Price just not far from VWAP, heading up here a little bit. Dow is up 807 now. Nas is up 226. S&P is up 79. We got 29,835,780,000 traded on the underlying. A bunch of volume. Price climbing, trying to reach back to the supply zone. Okay, folks, we're at the top of the hour. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up. Closing strong on Friday. Real nice trades today. Keith had a big day. So that's going to do it.
Yeah, it is. And I've learned to say, okay, enough is enough. Let's particularly $1.40. I'll take that, boy, any day.
Indeed, indeed. That's a good day.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Listen, thank you for supporting the room and being here. And we will be back Monday. The new Zoom link for next week will probably be coming out Sunday night, not Sunday afternoon. So don't worry if you don't see it in the afternoon. It will be there before Monday. So that's it. Keith, I'll give you a call in a couple of minutes.
Okay.
And everyone else, have a lovely weekend.
Yep.
Stay warm, be blessed, and we'll see you Monday morning.
Okay. Thanks, Tim.